Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to talk about proportion division. Proportion division. Suppose that taka 500 is to be distributed in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Therefore, sum of the ratio equal 3 plus 2 equal 5. Therefore, first portion equal 3 divided by 5 part of taka 500 equal taka 300, and second portion equal 2 divided by 5 part of taka 500 equal taka 200, and second portion equal 500 minus 300 equal taka 200. So quantity of one part equal given quantity into proportional number of that part divided by sum of the ratio. Alternative method. Given that the ratio of the portion is 3 is to 2. Let the first portion equal 3x and second portion equal 2x. According to the condition, 3x plus 2x equal 500 or 5x equal 500 or x equal 500 divided by 5. Therefore, x equal 100. So, first question equal 3 into 100 equal 300, and second question equal 2 into 100 equal 200. In a bag of red and green sweets, the ratio of red sweets to green sweet is 3:4. If the bag contains 120 green sweets, how many red sweets are there? Solution. Let x equal red sweets. So according to the condition, red divided by green equal 3 by 4, or red divided by green equal x divided by 120, or 3 divided by 4 equal x by 120, or 3 into 120 equal 4 into x by the rules of cross multiplication, or 4x equal 360, or x equal 360 divided by 4. Therefore, x equal 90. There are 90 red sweets. Answer. Triangle of a triangle are in the ratio 1 is to 3 is to 8. Find the measure of the triangle of this triangle. Solution. If the ratio of the triangle is 1 is to 3 is to 8, let the three angles are x, 3x and 8x. Also, the sum of the angle into angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. According to the condition, x plus 3x plus 8x equal 180, or 12x equal 180 degree, or x equal to 180 divided by 12. Therefore, x equal to 15 degree. The measure of the three angles are x equal 15 degree and 3x equal 3 into 15 degree equal 45 degree, and 8x equal 8 into 15 degree equal 100